Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file a tax extension using TurboTax. Filing an extension gives you 6 additional months to submit your federal income tax return. However, it is crucial to remember that an extension to file is not an extension to pay. You still need to estimate and pay any taxes owed by the original deadline to avoid potential penalties and interest. This process helps you avoid late filing penalties. Filing an extension with TurboTax is straightforward. First, log into your TurboTax account and navigate to the File and Extension section. You will then be prompted to enter your estimated income and deductions for the tax year. Based on this information, TurboTax will automatically prepare and help you submit Form 4868, which is the official application for an automatic extension of time to file. When filing your extension, remember a few key points. Always file electronically for the quickest processing and confirmation. Most importantly, even with an extension, you must pay any estimated taxes owed by the original deadline to avoid penalties and interest. Filing an extension primarily prevents the failure to file penalty, which can be much higher than the failure to pay penalty. After successfully filing your extension, you will receive a confirmation that it has been accepted. This confirmation is important for your records. Now, you have 6 additional months to gather all your necessary tax documents and meticulously prepare your full tax return. Remember to complete and submit your final return by the new extended deadline to remain compliant and avoid any further issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.